Does car seat installation often seem like hot yoga without the relaxation? Here are 2 tricks to help you get the car seat tight without as much effort on your part. Step number 1 is the inside-outside trick. This will work if the seat is rear or forward facing, and it also works for latch or seatbelt installations. Here I have my seat installed with latch, and here's the tail of my latch belt. If I pull it what I'm going to call outside the car seat, I'm not going to be able to get the latch belt as tight as I need. If, however, I pull the cover aside and take the tail and pull it inside the car seat, I'll be able to get it tighter with much less effort. If you're installing with the shoulder belt, you're going to be pulling the shoulder belt inside instead of outside. The other trick, which you can use in tandem, applies for minivans and SUVs. Any vehicle where the seat back reclines, I'm going to show you the seat back recline trick. Step 1 to your whole car seat installation, recline the seat back. Then proceed with the installation. So I'm going to use my inside-outside trick here. I'm going to put a little pressure in the seat. All car seats also like to be wiggled as you get them tight. So I'm going to pull, wiggle, and if you notice, right now my car seat is still quite loose. Now I'm going to sit the seat back upright. Keep your knees against the front of the car seat so it doesn't slide out of position. Lift up on the lever and pull the seat back to the upright position. Now check if your car seat's tight. That doesn't move at all. It's allowed to move an inch at most, side to side or front to back. This is a really tight car seat. If you've installed the car seat forward facing, you'll want to tighten the tether now as your very last step. Always use the tether on every forward facing car seat. It keeps the child's brain and spine much safer.